Hello guys, today I will show you how to create half-face typography easily. So let's get started. Go to your browser and write freepik for copyright free image. Write face pigment on search bar. Choose one pic which is suitable for your typography. So I have already downloaded it. After opening your Photoshop, go to File and click on Open. Go. Select a file and open it. Press OK. Now crop the image. Enter. Go to select and press on subject. Press Ctrl J. Take another layer. Make sure your color is black on foreground. Press Alt minus backspace. Scroll down it. Now take another layer. Take rectangular marquee tool and Ultra backspace on your keyboard. Click Ctrl D. Select text. Ctrl A, Ctrl C and paste it. Ctrl V. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Go to window and select paragraph. So press Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the text. Now off the I button. Go to layer 3 and press delete. And now Ctrl D. Just look. Thanks for watching my video.